Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger spam message not showing on iPhone. First, open the Messenger app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into the correct Facebook account. Sometimes spam messages are tied to different account. Now tap on the three line or menu icon in the top corner or the bottom corner. From there, tap setting. Now look for the privacy and safety and tap on it. Inside this section, tap message delivery. Here's an important part. You will see options like people with you, phone number, Facebook friend or other on Facebook. Make sure there are not set to be different receive requests. If they are, change them to message request. Inside message request, look for the section called spam. Tap on it and check if you are missing message there. If you still doesn't see spam message, try this. Go to the iPhone setting, scroll down and tap on messenger and make sure notifications are turned on. Also turn on background app refresh. If nothing works, try log out of messenger, restarting your iPhone and log back in. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.